In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Venmo. Whether you're using the app on your smartphone or the website on your computer, signing out is an essential step that can help protect your account when you're not using it. Let's start by walking through the process on the Venmo mobile app, which is available for both iPhone and Android devices. Begin by opening the Venmo app on your device. This is typically where most of us access Venmo for its convenient interface, making it easy to manage transactions and stay connected with friends financially. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon. This is symbolized by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Depending on the version of the app, you'll find this icon either in the top left or top right corner of your screen. Upon tapping the menu icon, a side menu will appear. You'll need to scroll through this menu and tap on the settings option. This will direct you to a new screen where you'll see various settings related to your account and app preferences. Keep scrolling all the way to the bottom of the settings menu. Here, you will find the sign out option. Tap on it and you will successfully be logged out of your Venmo account on the mobile app. This crucial step ensures your personal information and transaction details remain secure when you're not using the app actively. Now, if you're accessing Venmo through a web browser, the process is slightly different but just as straightforward. Start by heading to venmo.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login details. Once you're on your Venmo homepage, focus your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see either your profile icon or your initials displayed here. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, look for the logout option and click on it. This will immediately sign you out of Venmo on your web browser, ensuring your account information is secure if you're using a shared or public computer. And that's it! Whether you're on your mobile device or a desktop, logging out of Venmo is a simple process that provides peace of mind. Regularly signing out, especially when using shared devices or networks, is a good security practice to help protect your account. I hope you found this guide useful, and if you need more tips or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful guides.